It's gurgly, it's deep. Listen to it purr. Hello, welcome to the video. Today you'll notice that this isn't my M2 comp because it's orange for starters. Dan over here, who's a little bit shy, so wave. He has gone to Motec today to get a Remus axel-back, so a back box. So in short, the ugly udder muffler thing right at the back has been removed. Let's go around and have a look. Da, 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 da. Look how flush it looks now, and then also he's got the Motec only tips basically. So if you were to go and get a Remus exhaust from anywhere, you wouldn't get these tips. You can only get these from Motec. But yeah, so today he's come all the way over to pay me a visit, very kindly. You've obviously seen Dan on the channel before. We've seen him at the Auto ID event and the Steph's Roadster event. He got all the carbon bits back at the Auto ID event, so this time on the channel he's got the new exhaust. So he's come over and he's basically going to help me decide whether Remus is the way forward for my M2. I'm really out of breath from running. He's helping me decide if Remus is the way forward for my car, whether I should get Remus, should I get Miltec, Akrapovic. Don't really have 8 grand to spend, so probably Remus. I'm tempted to either go maybe to Motec and get it done, or maybe Lichfield because it's closer to mine. But with those tips, maybe I might have to go to Motec because they just look good. So do some revs, we'll do some drive-bys. Hopefully the sound comes across well on the microphone. They never really do anyway. But from first impressions, it sounds less restricted, so that's a win. You get more burbles, that's another win. The ugly muffler's gone, that's another win. And yeah, you can decide. Enjoy. Did you do that deliberately?
I called the accelerator. Oh.
Can still hear him. So I don't know if it's coming across on video. I mean, first of all, the car just, I should have got this colour, I reckon. it just looks really good, or it just kind of contrasts differently to the usual videos. Yeah, I don't know if it's coming across on video, but I can hear Dan coming before I see him, but it's not offensively loud. It sounds good, but it's not offensive. When people kind of like decat it and straight pipe it all the way through, and you kind of goes down the road and people are just like, knob. It doesn't sound like that, but it sounds deep and good. So in my mind, kind of the plan is, I'll share it with you guys, is a Remus axel-back, and there's a video on YouTube of a Remus axel-back, and it's got an AA mid-pipe. That's the plan, because that sounds mental. That sounds really, really good. It's got that kind of watery gurgle as it kind of reverses out of the garage. That's what I'd love to do ultimately, and that's the dream. I'm going to work on that. I've got the car for 4 years. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking personally. I'm kind of repeating myself now, but Remus axle-back, enjoy that, and then when I've got more money and whatnot, get the AA mid-pipe, and have the perfect S55 sounding M2. So we'll put some more kind of drive-bys and you can kind of enjoy it, but yeah, that's the video really. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, blah blah blah, like, subscribe, etc. And I'll see you in the next one.